look at what is technical analysis. The focus is on price and volume of the stock. What is volume? I'll cover in next session. Volume is the number of shares trading in a particular day. Number of shares changing hands in a particular day. Let's say 1 lakh shares, buyers and sellers traded. That's called 1 lakh is the volume, right? So focus in technical analysis is on the price and volume of the stock, the history of this, right? The assumption is the history repeats itself. So they identify the patterns and trends which has happened in the past and they extrapolate the future. Now, those who are doing technical analysis might say that this is not that simple. It's very, very complex softwares are there. There are, volumes of books written on that. There are courses also on that. You do that. It's very complex. A lot of permutation and combination. Yes, I agree. But all of that is based on this foundation of patterns and trends of price and volume. This is what technical analysis is. Let me give you one simple layman example. Let's say I tell you that price of mango was 100 rupees per kg 4 days back. Then 2 days back it became 120 rupees per kg. Today it is 140 rupees kg. So you will naturally say, you can say that it is expected to become 160 rupees kg 2 days down the line. That's called technical analysis in a very crude and foundation form. Another example, Virat Kohli. He made 40 runs in the first innings, 60 runs in the second inning, 80 runs in the third inning. So now he's expected to make 100 runs in the fourth inning. Or he did in particular ground on particular team, he scored this much in that particular year. Today the same scenario is there, so he's expected to make the similar returns. That's what technical analysis is to the core. I mean, the foundation. That's what the foundation of technical analysis is. So it is meant for short-term investments in trading. That's what that's why people look at all those charts and candlesticks and all those stuff. But just think about it: who benefits in technical analysis? The more you trade, the more your broker will make money. Not you. You will not make money when you trade a lot. You may have this. I mean, again, last 1.5 years, everyone has made money, but this honeymoon period will not last forever. Please understand. This is not the first bull cycle. This is not the last bull cycle also. Yeah. So in technical analysis, when you're doing churning, buy and sell again and again, and you're looking at the charts and looking at those short-term targets, your broker will definitely become rich. Okay. One more aspect to look at. Why don't we have any technical expert in the top 500 richest people? Now, let me tell you a couple of facts. Technical analysis started before fundamental analysis. Fundamentals so baad mein aaya. In 17th century, rice trading as a commodity started, and people started doing technical charts and all. 17th century. It was only later on that that people, experts came and said that we should not do this trading in stock market. We should look at fundamentals of the company. We should do long-term investing. So long-term investing, this mature kind of investing, came later. Why am I telling you all this? I'm saying when it is existing for so many years, and we have so bright brains in the world, both alive and dead. Why don't we have anyone in the top 100, 500 richest people in the world who have been doing technical analysis for last 10, 20, 30, 40 years? If it is possible to make money through short-term trading and technical analysis, why don't we have anyone in the top 500 people? But we have quite a few people in the top 500 people who are doing fundamental analysis, and they have reached there. Please ask yourself. Now you might say, I take it as a challenge and I will do it. Sure, you might. But the point is, first look at the why behind why they were not able to do. Look at those 100 mistakes which they made. Are you learning that first and then doing it? No, you are making the same 100 mistakes again. At least make a new mistake. Maybe you are the one who will do short-term trading and make money. I don't know, but no one has been able to do so far. So first find out the why behind that. Read, learn, and then take your call.